slope of 2. And you will see the graph intersects here, here, and here. To find those points of intersection, you find the y values of x, the y values are the same. 2x minus 1 is x cubed minus 1. 2x is x cubed. X cubed minus 2x is 0. Factor. X is 0. X is plus or minus the square root of 2. And then you will integrate over those two intervals. You will integrate from negative square root of 2 to 0. And from 0 to the square root of 2. Integrate from here to here, and here to here. And here you will subtract. X cubed minus 1 subtract 2x minus 1 and integrate. And here you will subtract 2x minus 1, subtract x cubed minus 1, and integrate. So negative root 2 to 0, you will integrate this, subtract this. And from 0 to square root 2, you will integrate this, subtract this. This x cubed minus 2x. And this is 2x minus x cubed. Integrate those. X to the 4 over 4 minus x squared from 0 to negative root 2. X squared minus x to the 4 over 4 from root 2 to 0. And yeah, each of those should turn out to be 1. Any questions?
Are you going to post that?
No, I don't post it. I don't post it because it won't be there next year. Any other questions? Our quiz, first test is on Tuesday next week. It will cover everything up to Thursday's class. I will put some guidelines up tomorrow evening. Okay, so the last time we began our study of the volume problem. And you take a curve, f of x, and you rotate it. You rotate that curve between A and B about the x-axis. Mr. Harris?
Yes, so does that mean that stuff on the test will be from Thursday's class?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
In college, Mr. Harris, not high school. You only have 15 weeks to learn calculus 2. High school, you got? And you only meet me twice a week. High school, you meet your teacher 5 days a week. You take this curve and you rotate it about the x-axis. You will pick out volume. You would like to know the volume of that. It is an area problem. Right? So you have to integrate something. You will integrate the square of f multiplied by pi between a and b. That is to say, you need to know how to integrate the square of f, which is an antiderivative problem, which is a hard problem. And if you don't know how to do it, then you will have to do a trapezoidal or something. Last time we saw an example. You take the curve y equals 5 secant x between pi by 4 and 0. When you rotate it about the x-axis, you will pick out a vase of some kind. You would like to know the volume thereof. And you're integrating from a to b being 0 to pi by 4, your function f of x being 5 secant x. So you will take this function, square it, multiplied by pi, and integrate from 0 to pi. And you will get that volume exactly. So the volume, you will take your function and square it, multiplied by pi, and integrate from 0 to pi, 0 to pi by 4. And of course, it becomes now a matter of,
Why did you do 2 secant or 2s?
no, that's 25. You square the function.
Oh.
2s.
And I will square the function and obtain secant squared x. And we all know how to find the antiderivative of secant squared. The antiderivative of secant squared is tangent x. So this will become 25 pi. The antiderivative of secant squared being tangent x, you will evaluate that from pi by 4. So you will have the exact volume.
Yes.
Of course, you will need to know exactly that the tangent of pi by 4 is 1, and that the tangent of 0 is 0.
So the answer is 25 pi.
Exactly. 25 pi. Mr. Boji, would you like to try it? Would you like to try it? Try it. area under the curve, y equals 1 over root x. Between 1 and 5 is rotated about the x-axis. Find the volume of the solid thus generated. Exactly.